Hey Bammers, what's up? Musiaki here. I have a very short video I want to share with you guys. I have started on Instagram last week, if you go to my Instagram account, How to Bam, a new homework assignment, which is pretty cool. And it got a pretty much a great following. So that's the reason I want to continue this and want to share this point with you. Is I've been getting a lot of send-ins, but the anatomy was a bit off, and I had the feeling like you have a bit of trouble with that. And if you make the anatomy right, then your artwork will improve so much better. So what I want to do is just show you how I draw these poses, or copy them actually, and well, the way I do it. So this is a bit of a tutorial just to show you guys how I do it, so you can improve a bit or make it a bit better. So for this week, we have this one. Now, don't get me wrong, this is still an assignment that's being created because it's still fun. It's a great way to expose your artwork, and but of course also to improve. Now, if you're just doing it for fun, that's perfectly fine. Just ignore this video, just go along with your business. But if you want to improve your artwork, then this video might be, or these tips that I'm going to share with you guys might be very handy. So what I want to show you guys is, this is the pose for this week's assignment, and I'm going to show you how I start with drawing these poses, and maybe it will be helpful for you. So what I'm usually starting with is with the head, and what you're going to do is just, well, this is basically copying. So you have to know like the distances between the space up and the head, down, side, everywhere. And if you want to copy it here, I would start a bit about here. And I always do things in circles, just separate all the body parts, and then it's much easier or more controllable that way, and really strip it down to the basics. So this is a circle just for a head, and you can contain it, isolate it in a block, and this will help you just to see if it's a circle, but also these lines will help you to see where the eye lines are going to be, but also to see if the head is in the right way. Because if you can see here in this pose, the head is slightly tilted to the right, and these lines will help you see if that's the same tilting you want to go for. So as you can see, it's a bit slightly tilted to the right as well. And then you can just draw the chin over here, and I'll probably make some couple of mistakes, but it's just to show you guys how you can well, how I do it and how you can probably improve it a bit. So what I do is I take every body part separately. So here's the torso, it goes a bit back, and also use these lines just to show where the direction of the torso is going to be, where the middle of the torso is, and it's much easier to split things up. And this is going to be the arm. I don't think I'm gonna make it, but let's see. And I use all these circles in every piece of joint, and that's the whole purpose of the figures as well. They also have different joints. And then you can also decide if you want to have smaller joints in the fingers or not. I make it. But the point is that you just have it separately, just strip down to the basics, and you can easily, much easier, see if you're on the right track or not. Join over here, here, and just notice where all the positions is, the position of the body part. So this elbow is almost connected to this knee. You have these things right, then the height of where the arm is going to be. It's almost with a bit under the neck with the breasts. So it's a bit under the shoulder height. It's a bit there. And then you have the arms like that, and the hands. In this assignment, we have something that she can hold. So you have to, well, I wouldn't draw this close, but keep it open for objects to be in there. And then the leg, and as you can see, this joint is sticking out a bit from her buttocks. So it would be a bit over here, and then the feet. And yes, I also make mistakes. Then here, all right, like this, all right, and then a bit like that. All right, just really fast, just to show you guys about how I would do it, and it will probably help you just to get the anatomy right, and that will improve a lot more for your drawing. So it looks much more professional if everything is right. That this arm is a lot bigger, and the head is too big, or this leg is going too far out, or the distances between the arms is a lot smaller here than there. So these are just the kind of tips that I'm going to give you guys just to help improve your drawing a lot better. Just so make sure where everything is. So see where the elbow is going to be. Is that the same height of the? Well, it should be on the same height of the feet. So I would have to correct it a bit. But those are the things that you can look for and help improve your drawing. So I hope this video was a bit helpful and useful. Let me know in the comment section. Give the thumbs up, and I wish you every bit of luck for this week because it's a feisty one. It's I got a lot of challenges in there, but it's all done with pencil, guys, so no inking, so that should be a lot more helpful in there. So guys, gambate, and I'll see you guys next week. Johnny.